is on the roll with the unexpected launch of smartphones in the past few weeks. Now they have launched another phone, that's the Mate X5. It's a direct successor to the Mate X3. The Mate X5 brings several under the hood improvements while the design language remains the same. Mate 5 Mate X5 boasts the same 7.85-inch LTPO OLED main display, 2284 into 2496 pixels, and a 6-inch LTPO OLED cover display that is 1080 into 2504 pixels with Kunlun glass production. On the outside, Mate X5 came in a new phantom purple color, joining the feather white, feather black, feather gold, and green mountain option, which are also available on the X3. The camera island also sports a slightly tweaked design, but the shooters are the same. That is a 50 megapixel main f1.8 joined by 13 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide and a 12 megapixel f3.4 periscope 5x camera. The latest foldable will come up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Rumors say that this phone will come with the same Kirin 9000S SoC that was launched in the recent Mate 60 series. It is a 5G capable chipset built on SiC 7nm process. The other interesting bit is that all new antenna design, which is claimed to have improved signal reception. Huawei's Lingxi antenna features an AI algorithm that selects the optimum network, ensuring optimal connectivity. Mate X5 also has a larger 5060 mAh battery with support to 66-watt wired, 50-watt wireless, and 7.5 reverse wireless charging. It boots Harmony OS 4.0 and brings new air gesture controls, which let you browse through videos, web pages, and images without even touching the main display. It is IP68 and supports two-way Baidu satellite messaging in China. It's expected to be on sale from September 15th.